hello everybody. Hello everybody. This is Monica Kapala. So this is Monica Kapala. We are back. So today I have my niece with me. Her name is Marie. She speaks French. She doesn't speak English. She can to spend some time with me from Guadeloupe. Hello, from Guadeloupe. So she's on vacation. While she's here, she's gonna help me in the kitchen. So today, like you can see by the title, we're gonna have Akra. I know we had Akra before, but at that time we used malanga. So today we're gonna use plantain. So be ready, we're gonna hear some French, some Creole, and some English today, okay? Okay, bear with me. So we did this before, so this time it's gonna be with plantain. Trust me, it's good. I tried it. I think it's very good, so we're gonna do it. It's like it's the same thing. We're gonna prepare it like we did for the last one we did, the malanga one. We're gonna do this exact the same thing, okay? So give us 1 second. We're gonna be right back. Give us 1 second, okay? This is the garlic. Putting some garlic, some loris, and some home spice. You can go watch it on my video on my YouTube channel. How to make your own spice at home. Put a little bit of that. I'm gonna stir it. Okay? It's like you're gonna prepare a meat. That's how you prepare it. Now it's ready. Okay? It's ready. So 4 plantain, that's plenty for, depending. It's good for 4 people. It's good for up to 4 people, 4 plantain. Okay? It's like, and we need a little bit of flour, like 1 cup of flour, and then with the spice, with a little bit of 1 lime, a little bit of garlic powder, and some, you know, if you want hot stuff, you can put something there too. All right. Note that we use the fine part of the equator. Use the finest part, okay? Use the finest part. Don't use the big one. This part. Now we're gonna mix everything together. Go ahead. We're gonna mix everything. Go faster. Fais plus vite. Okay. Un petit peu de farine. Et puis on va brasser le tout. Gonna stir it. Now we are going to put a little bit of olive oil. Go ahead. Mets un petit peu d'huile là-bas. On va mettre un petit peu d'huile. Faut pas montrer là. Ok, ça va. Ok. On met le feu sur... Yeah. We put the stove, we put the stove on high, and then we're gonna put a little bit lower after. All right, you're doing good. Where is the thing? So, okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, guys, the same texture as the malanga, the same texture. See, it's like a you prepare it like a ground meat. Ok? Vous préparez dans qu'on viande moulue et vous pouvez le frire. You can take it. Look up there. Okay, so now we are frying the akra, like you can see. Okay. All right. Put the stove on high for now, and then later on we're gonna put it on medium. Okay. Okay, and then you start turning them. Okay, see, nice and brown. Yeah, do. All right, guys. Nice and brown. We are done. We are done, like you can see. Let me show you. This is what it looks like, okay? This is what it looks like. It's so good. We're gonna taste it. Can take one, let's taste it. This is my favorite part, okay?
C'est bon.
C'est bon. Crispy. Not too salty. It is so good. It got the same texture as the malanga, so it's good. It's very good. Try it. You could use it as a side dish or a meal, depending on your diet. You can even use it for snack if you want. It's summertime. You can use it. Spend some time with your children, your grandchildren, your family, your cousin, your niece. So you can make it. It's good. C'est bon? Ouais? C'est bon, tu l'aimes? Tu l'aimes?
Oui.
Et c'est facile aussi, là, ouais?
Oui.
C'est facile à faire.
Facile à faire.
C'est facile à faire. C'était très bon, bon. Allez, faut essayer, ok? C'est bon. À la prochaine.
Bye bye. Au revoir.
Merci, Marceline. Good job.